Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning about loops. In the previous classes we have learned about for and while loops. We also looked at nested loops, and in today's class we will learn some of the tips and tricks related to loops. The first and most important thing is to know when to use what loop. As you already know, we have two types of loops. One, what we call it definite, and another is indefinite. We have also learned, and definite is we use for, and this one we use while loop. We have learned a couple of variations of definite. We learned three variations in fact. One is regular while with some condition. Another we learned as while true, right? And third one we learned do and then while. When we want to use when we don't know number of iterations in the beginning, then you want to go here, and that is what this diagram is talking about. It is saying that when you do not know number of iterations, then there are two possibilities. Either you want to do at least one iteration, or you may have zero or more iteration. If zero or more iterations, then you want to use regular while loop. But if you have at least one or more iteration, then you want to do while. You can also use while true, but preferred way is you do a code block and then write your while condition at the end. On the other hand, if you know number of iterations upfront, in that case it's a pretty straightforward while loop. And in the while loop, again, you will construct your condition and use your counter and update the counter. The less lines of code you write, the chances of error in the code is also low. And that is why it is important to use the right tool for the right problem statement. With that, I will ask you to go ahead and do some practice. We have covered an important lesson or tips today. In the next, we'll learn some more of the tips related to the loops. I'll see you guys in the next class. Happy practicing. Please practice, because practice is the only way to learn coding. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.